Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film a very exciting video for you guys. So Pixi Beauty recently just sent me a PR box, and so I decided to film an unboxing video because I asked on Instagram, of which you should be following me on Instagram, and you guys wanted to see an unboxing video of this beautiful box. If you like to see what I got in this box, please keep watching. Alright guys, so let's open up the box. Let me open it for you guys to see. So basically this is their glow box. It's a routine of products that is supposed to give you like a glow for your skin, and you actually have 5 steps in here. So you have a cleanser, a toner, a treatment, a hydrating product, and a moisturizer. So yeah, like I said, is their Pixi Glow box. So let me just read what they wrote up here. For me to you, a collection of glow enhancing products developed to bring out your most beautiful glow. XOXO Petra. I believe that's the owner of the company. That's the owner of Pixi Beauty. So yeah, inspired by our multi-award winning Glow Tonic, we developed the perfect collection to further exfoliate, hydrate, and nourish your skin, giving you our signature Pixi Glow. Very exciting. It also came with this pamphlet introducing the products on here. I'm so sorry you guys cannot see this. Introducing the product, and also putting a contest at the back. So basically, if you use the products for 30 days and record your journey and post it on here or on Instagram, you get a chance to win a retreat to California. It would have been really exciting to try, but I'm on threat and I cannot stop that to do this. I wish I could. I honestly wish I could, but anyway, let's go into the product. So the first product is a cleanser, and it's a cleanser that contains glycolic acid and moist clean. I think moist clean is the cleansing agent. Please don't quote me. I'm not sure. So yeah, it has a lot of fruit extract, it has glycolic acid, it has your aloe vera, witch hazel, allantoin, vitamin B5, panthenol, you know, and all that good stuff. It's a clear gel from what I've seen online. I haven't opened anything here. I haven't used any of them yet. But I'm excited to try. It's always good to have a good exfoliating cleanser. Do I have any exfoliating cleanser in my routine? Yeah, I do. But it would be really nice to try. The second product is their Glow Tonic, 5% glycolic acid. I actually now like this Glow Tonic. When I first of all tried it back then in about around 2013-14, I did not like this tonic because it would break me out, but now my skin doesn't seem to react to it anymore. It probably was purging my skin at that point and I didn't even know. But yeah, it's always good to have a backup in my routine. I already have one that I have not exhausted that a friend gave to me, but it's always good to have a backup or another one in your routine. This is 135 ml. They give me the 100 ml one. The next one is a serum. This serum, I was looking at the ingredients yesterday, and they said the serum is a lightweight serum that gently exfoliates, hydrates, and nourishes the skin. It softens, refines, and restores radiance for smooth and balanced skin. The glycolic acid serum looks like this inside the package. Comes with a dropper. It's standard 30 ml. Comes with a dropper and looks like this. Comes with a lid on its own as well. I think you take this off. I've not used anything from them yet, but it smells like the Glow Tonic. So yeah, So it has glycolic acid, aloe vera, and ginseng. I was also looking at the ingredients list, and I saw that apart from all those, it has vitamin C, that's ascorbic acid, it has vitamin E, it has retinol palmitate, and it has some fruit extract as well. I like that it has vitamin C, and I'm really eager to try. The fourth one is a hydrating gel. It has aloe vera and chestnut. So the first three products, the cleanser, the toner, and the serum that I showed you guys, all have glycolic acid. This is the only product in this routine that doesn't have glycolic acid. Yeah, so apparently they call it a neutralizing moisturizer, so probably supposed to neutralize the fact that you've used those first three products with glycolic acid. I'm guessing that's what it is. I don't know for sure, but I'm guessing. So the Phenomenal Gel looks like this. It's 50 ml. It looks like this inside the package. Like I said, I've not opened anything. The cover just slid off. I've not opened anything, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I was also looking at the ingredients list here. It has citric acid, vitamin E, vitamin C, aloe vera, cucumber fruit extract, retinol palmitate, witch hazel, and other beautiful ingredients. So yeah, I mean, it would be interesting to try these products because I have never tried anything from Pixi Beauty apart from their Glow Tonic. So yeah, it'll be really interesting to try. The last product in the routine or in the box that I received is their On The Glow moisture stick, and this also has glycolic acid. So it's a travel friendly solid moisturizer that you can use on your face, lips, body, and hair. It has vitamin D2, ginseng, and glycolic acid. See, this is what it looks like inside. So apparently it's like a stick that you can turn up upwards. Comes with this cover. Smells really bland, has no fragrance, and that you just swipe against your stick, your face, your face. So yeah, it comes in 19 grams, so you get 19 grams of product in here. It has witch hazel as well, aloe vera, some roots and fruit extracts. What else does it have? It has vitamin E, vitamin C, retinol palmitate, glycolic acid. So it's not really different from the other products from the Phenomenal Gel, apart from the fact that it has glycolic acid. The Phenomenal Gel and the serum all have vitamin C, that's ascorbic acid. They have vitamin E, and they have retinol palmitate. So yeah, it will be really interesting to try. I would have loved to try all these products, guys, but like I said, right now I'm on tretinoin, and I don't know if it even makes sense to stop that and try these ones just to enter the contest, but I really wish I could. I will give a review later on, but I really want to concentrate on using my tretinoin right now. That's my Retin E right now. So yeah, that's basically it. That's what I got in the box. I was really excited when I got it. This is like my second PR package from Pixi Beauty. Thank you so much, Pixi Beauty, for sending me this package, this box of products. It's always interesting to try new skincare products. I'm like a junkie, so I love trying skincare products. Like, I love trying skincare products. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, please. If you like this content, if you love to see more content from me, subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos and you won't miss out, because I know YouTube can be funny sometimes. Thank you so much for watching, and till the next video, bye.